What should you expect when planning to take AP Euro?
I think when planning to take AP Euro, you should expect a very challenging course, a course that involves a lot of reading on a daily basis, a course that involves a tremendous amount of writing in order to prepare you for the AP exam, but also to prepare you for future history classes.
What is the workload of AP Euro?
Workload, as I said before, you have reading on a daily basis. You have a lot of practice essays, so document-based questions, long essay questions. We go over practice multiple choice questions, short answer questions. Essentially, the entire year we're trying to develop skills in order to prepare students for the AP exam as well as higher level history courses.
On average, how long does homework take per night?
On average, how long does homework take? It really depends on the type of reader that you are. Some students can fly through the reading much faster than others. So it can vary, but typically there's around 3 to 5 pages of reading from our textbook per night. Some students, that may take them around 30 minutes. Some students may be closer to an hour.
What does an average day in AP Euro look like in terms of classwork?
Yeah, average day in AP Euro, it really is come into class, we do our bell work, which is really the opening activity. Sometimes it'll be to introduce a new topic. Sometimes it'll be to review. From there, it'll vary. Sometimes we'll get into a kind of a mini lecture with PowerPoint notes. Occasionally, there'll be group activities. We'll work on chronology, so storyboards, timelines. We definitely spend a lot of time analyzing primary sources, as well as practice writing, practice essays.
What type of students are meant for AP Euro?
That's a good question. What type of students? I would say, number one, students that are interested in history in general. Again, it's a very challenging course. It's a very time-consuming course. And so I really encourage students to think hard before they sign up because it should be something that they're passionate about, that they're interested in. But aside from passion and interest, it should be students that are self-motivated, that are driven to succeed, and really students that are looking for that challenge and willing to embrace that challenge.
What do you think is the biggest challenge students face in AP Euro?
The biggest challenge, I would say, is the pace of the course. We move at a very, very fast pace. We cover over 500 years of history, multiple countries, and so we really dig into a lot of information in a short amount of time. So I think the biggest challenge is really staying on top of the reading as well as reading notes and just absorbing that information in the short amount of time that we have.
How can AP Euro help you in the future?
Yeah, I think AP Euro can really help in the immediate future. I would say it helps a lot with AP US history if you're planning on taking that as a junior, as well as other AP social science classes like economics or government. Long term, I believe the skills that we develop in AP Euro can really be beneficial at the higher level if you're thinking about getting into university and pursuing possibly a career in education like I did, possibly a career in studying law, becoming a lawyer, and really in which you can use your skills in developing an argument and presenting that argument with evidence as well as good reasoning to go with it.
What type of questions are on the AP Euro exam, and what does the AP test look like?
Yeah, the AP exam is long. It takes over 3 hours. It's divided up into 4 parts. The first part is multiple choice, which includes 55 questions in 55 minutes. The other 3 parts are all writing. So you have one part that's a short answer section. Those are short answers. and that is 40 minutes to answer 3. The last half, it includes 2 full-length essays. One is a document-based question essay in which College Board gives you a prompt, 7 primary sources. They're looking for your ability to analyze and interpret primary sources and bring those into your argument. The last final full-length essay, I should say, is the long essay question in which College Board will give you 3 prompts to choose from. You select the one you're most confident in and have 40 minutes to write a full-length essay.
And how can a student be successful in AP Euro?
I think to be successful in here really takes a lot of hard work. I would encourage students to talk to other students that have taken the course before and ask them, what does it take to be successful? I think they would agree that it takes a lot of time as far as putting in time with your reading and your reading notes. A lot of students will get into small study groups outside of school that can help with being successful. Asking questions on a daily basis can also lead to success. So I think it's really just a matter of putting in the time, the hard work, coming to class prepared and focused, ready to discuss the material, as well as willing to ask questions about the material. All those things combined, I think, it will eventually lead to success.